Welcome back. Now, before we take a look at the day's business news, let's first take a look at the stock indices across the GCC. And in our top business story, Dubai's Electricity and Water Authority has signed a new 300 million dirham contract to supply, extend and activate a new 274-kilometre, 132 kilovolt underground transmission cable network, to be completed by December 2014. His Excellency Saeed Mohammed Al Tayyer, the Managing Director and CEO of DEWA, was quoted as saying that the contract looks to improve the efficiency of networks and meet the growth and demand for services. The project includes 3 phases, with the first phase focused on modifying loads in 132 kV electricity transmission networks between Al Quoz and D Station in Jebel Ali. The second phase involves transferring cable loads between Bu Qadra Station and the substation at the Jebel Ali racecourse, while the last phase is the extension of new 132 kV cables to transfer electricity to the network of Jebel Ali Port. Abu Dhabi saw a rise in consumer confidence in the Economic Performance Index for 2012, averaging 110 points compared to 102 in 2011 for financial conditions. The individual's financial condition indicator stood at 140 points on average during the second quarter of the year, the highest score ever compared to previous periods, as 100 points separates optimism and pessimism. Confidence about the future conditions in general was higher due to respondents' confidence in the capital's economy and in policies taken by decision makers, which increased 3 points compared to 2011, registering 117 points on average for 2012, in addition to the feeling that Abu Dhabi is a safe haven for investment, as well as the impact of achievements and ambitious plans of the Emirate. Future expectations on the index stood at 147 points on average in 2012, compared to 140 points in 2011. Dubai's Khaloti Group, one of the world's largest gold and precious metals refiners and trading houses, has started building a gold smelting plant in Suriname. The Dubai company signed a joint venture agreement with the Suriname government, and the precious metals refinery and bullion manufacturing plant will be a first for the South American country. The Khaloti Suriname Mint House will see operational funding of as much as $20 million and is projected to produce as much as 60 tons of refined gold when fully operational in 2016. Initial refining is scheduled to begin by the middle of next year.